Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I promised in the previous video that I'll provide a separate video on tokenization, stemming and lemmatization. So here I am. Let's recap what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves designing and refining the instructions you give to AI models like ChatGPT to get the desired output. The phrasing and structure of your prompt can significantly impact the quality and accuracy of the AI's response. For example, let me type describe a day in the life of a cat. You see the response of ChatGPT? Now, the next prompt describe a typical day for a playful cat who lives in a busy city. Now, the second prompt is more specific, leading to a more detailed and relevant response. Okay, so moving towards our today's video topic, tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking text into smaller units called tokens. These tokens can be words, subwords, or even individual characters, depending on how the model is designed. Tokenization is crucial because AI models process and generate text based on these tokens. For example, our text is AI is transforming industries. So AI is one token, is second, to transform is one token and ing is another token. Industries another token, even full stop is other token. So now you get the point of the tokenization. In this example, the text is split into tokens where transforming might be split into transform and ing depending on the model. Now we'll see its relation to prompt engineering. When you create a prompt, it is tokenized before the AI processes it. The structure and wording of your prompt influence how it's tokenized, and which in turn affects the AI's understanding and response. Okay, moving towards our next term, that is stemming. Stemming is an NLP technique that reduces words to their base or root form. The goal is to simplify words with similar meanings by cutting off prefixes or suffixes, making it easier for the AI to recognize related terms. For example, words fishing, fished, fisher, and its stemming word is fish. Here, fishing, fished, and fisher are all reduced to the stem fish. What is its relation to prompt engineering? When the AI processes a prompt, stemming helps the model recognize that different forms of a word have similar meanings. This can lead to more consistent and relevant responses. Now our next term is lemmatization. It is another NLP technique that also reduces words to their base or dictionary form known as the lemma. Unlike stemming, lemmatization considers the context of the word and returns a valid word, making it more accurate. For example, words am, are, is, its lemmatization would be be. Words better, good, best, its lemmatization would be good. Now, what is its relation to prompt engineering? Lemmatization helps AI understand the context of words better than stemming. By converting words to their correct base form, it ensures that AI interprets the meaning of your prompt accurately. Now, we'll talk about difference between tokenization, stemming and lemmatization. So, quickly overview it. Tokenization splits text into smaller pieces called tokens, often without altering the words themselves. Stemming reduces words to their base form by stripping prefixes or suffixes, sometimes resulting in incomplete words, but lemmatization reduces words to their base or dictionary form while considering the context and resulting in a valid word. For example, text. The studies were running smoothly. Tokenization, in this context, the tokenization is the studies were running smoothly, and stemming is the study studi were from running to run and smoothly to li, so it's invalid word, right? Lemmatization, the study be run smoothly. In this example, tokenization simply breaks the text into individual units. Stemming reduces words to their root forms. which can sometimes be incomplete or less meaningful. Lemmatization reduces words to their dictionary form, preserving the correct meaning. So, hope you guys like this video, understand these terms because it is very important in learning prompt engineering. We must know how prompt engineering works in backend.